This is an instructional video for Preschool University Spelling Magic 1 Short Vowel Words Deluxe. This app has 2 modes of gameplay, word building, and movable alphabet, and it also has a number of settings that you can customize your app with. The instructions are right here, which gives a detailed description of how to do and what the purpose of each mode is. You can choose either the male or female voice here, and here on the settings icon it gives us some different options. We can choose to have the letter sounds on off, the letter hints on off, or the double letter helper on or off. I will show these in the gameplay mode. The completion sound is what sound happens after the word has been built, and you can click that on or off, and you can also customize this. There are 12 different sounds, and the other option is to have the word repeated at the end. You can click on the little speaker and it'll show you what that sounds like. So I'll leave a few of these on. Then the link letter option I'll show you in gameplay as well. We'll leave it off for now. The vowel colors, the default setting is for the Montessori style, which looks like this. The other option is to choose public school letter colors, which is this. Then there is also a font with serifs, Century Schoolbook font. And then it also has an option for a cursive font. So for the purpose of our game to start with, we'll leave it in the Montessori font, colors, and with a font without serifs. We'll go back. So we'll start with the word building mode. There are 6 categories and a shuffle category. The first 5 are all the Cvc words, that's consonant-vowel-consonant words, separated by the different vowels. So all these words have A in the middle, like hat, cat, and bat. All these words have E in the middle, like jet, pen, and hen. And these words have I, and so forth. All these words here are the words that have double letters at the ending, but still these letters make one sound, such as hill, pass, or well. And this is a shuffle category where they're all mixed together. So we'll start with this category right here. And here on the app, each letter will make its sound, and this is referred to in the options menu as the letter sounds that can be turned on or off. The letter hints option refers to the sound tiles, giving hints as to what letter goes there. And the picture will always say its name when touched, which makes it very easy for some words where the picture seems ambiguous or it might be a more difficult word that's not in the child's everyday vocabulary.
Pad.
Neuropsychologist Dr. Jean Herron, in her book, Making Speech Visible, uses research to show that children first need to construct their own words before reading words that someone else has constructed. This app allows the child to have repeated success building words, and it helps show them how the printed and spoken word map onto each other. It is excellent preparation for reading.
Rap. Dam.
Okay, so now we're doing the word building app, and in this case we are using the Century Schoolbook font that has serifs, and we're also enabling the letter link option, so it's going to work a little differently after the word has been built.
Let. L. Get. G. Pen. Yes. Y. S. Men.
So now we'll review the double letter endings. And in the options menu, the double letter helper has the two letters linked together.
I, S, L, I.
So now we'll do the movable alphabet mode. And this time, instead of having the three-letter words categorized by vowels, we will go on to this section where the three-letter words are now categorized by themes rather than by vowels. So I'll pick this category right here.
Lead, lead, L, E, D, L, E, D.
Basically, the functionality works exactly the same, except in this case, instead of having just the number of tiles available that are in the word, they have the entire alphabet to choose from, so this is more advanced. Here's an example of a picture that could be very ambiguous and who knows what it means. However, just by tapping on the picture,
Toss,
it becomes clear of what word the app is asking the child to spell.
S,
So in that case, it was a word that had a double consonant letter ending, and so both of them came down to make it easier for your child. This option can be disabled to make it more difficult.
pass, P, A, S.
So now we're also going to show another option. So in this instance, we're using a cursive font, and I have the double letter helper option checked off so that it will not help. So the child will have to bring down two consonants if it's an ending that has a double consonant ending. This is also where it really makes a lot of sense to use the link letter function with the cursive letters, because it takes them from three separate letters and turns them into a word.
Dig, dig, D, I, G. Fed, F, E, D.
And also in this case, we're going to show how the completion sound can be the repeating of the word rather than any music at all. So in this case, we'll see what happens.
T, cut, gab, G, A, B, gab, get, G, E, T, get.
And that concludes this instructional video on how to use Spelling Magic 1 Short Vowel Words Deluxe.